In a world where every creature shouted to be seen, one voice vanished, and in that silence the jungle finally began to listen. Why whisper when you can roar? Pico was the voice of the canopy. He imitated lions, mocked leopards, even sang with the rain. He believed that whoever was heard ruled. Sometimes Pico, even the strongest echo, forgets what silence teaches. Silence is for the voiceless, old shell. The jungle listens only to those who shout. Rain, run, flood coming. The jungle that once echoed his laughter now answered with silence. The parrot, who spoke for all, could no longer speak at all. No words, no worth. What's a parrot without a voice? The voice of the jungle was lost. Not because the parrot fell silent, but because no one else could. For the first time, the parrot said nothing, and for the first time everyone stopped to listen. He's showing us the truth. The storm took our water, not each other. What words failed to mend, silence rebuilt. You taught us more by silence than by song, my friend. And though the parrot never spoke again, his silence became the forest's voice, reminding them that wisdom is not in sound, but in understanding. In a world that shouts to be heard, silence is often mistaken for weakness. But even the quietest wind can change the shape of mountains. If a parrot can find truth in silence, perhaps so can we. Subscribe, like, share, and comment for more fables from the wild. Tell us in the comments, what did you learn from this story?